Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 28. My name is Gaia, and we are doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge where we practice Yin Yoga for 30 consecutive days for maximum benefit. Now, if you have just found this video and want to do it on its own, that is fine. You will get a great practice out of it. However, if you want to do the challenge for the full 30 days to really get the maximum benefit, then I will link everything down below. Today we are starting in thread the needle, so first make your way onto all fours. Sit tabletop position, knees under the hips, wrists under your shoulders. Find your neutral spine first, and then thread the right arm underneath the left, bringing the right side of your head down to the mat, and extend your left arm long. Make sure to recenter your hips if they got perhaps carried away to the side a little bit. Just breathe nice and deep here, enjoying this pose for a few minutes. And begin to deepen your breath. And first, bring your left arm in, and then press up back into tabletop. Take a moment here, nice long spine, just a breath or so. And we'll do the same on the other side. So this time your left arm threads under the right. Lower the left side of your head down to your mat. Extend the right arm long and recenter your hips if they got tilted a bit to the side. And then just sink into this pose and enjoy. Begin to deepen your breath. And then bring your arm back in. Place the palm on the mat. Press into your palm to lift yourself back up. Into tabletop. And then just make your way onto your stomach in whichever way suits you best. And we'll move into Sphinx pose. Elbows under your shoulders. The tops of the feet nicely planted against the mat. Press into the tops of your feet. Press into your forearms and into your palms. Shine your chest forward. And breathe here. Keep sending your pubic bone down into the mat to protect the low back. So there is no compression or pinching happening in that area. Instead, we are creating length through the entire body here, even as we move into a slight back bend. Take one more deep breath here. And release. And roll onto your back for Savasana. Extend your legs long. Let the feet flop to the sides. Bring your arms down by your sides with the palms facing up. Lengthen the back of your neck. And just allow yourself to really settle here. Integrate the practice and enjoy this time with yourself for a few more minutes. Gently begin to return your awareness back into your body, deepening the breath, wiggling your fingers and your toes. You can also take a nice deep stretch if that feels good. And whenever you're ready, roll onto one side first. Before using your arms to press yourself back up into a seat. Come take a seat in any way that feels best to you. Place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra and close your eyes. And now, with your eyes closed, just allow yourself to connect with the day that you've had. And as that connection unfolds, just see what is one thing that you can truly appreciate today. What is one thing that you can be grateful for? Big or small, tangible or intangible. Just what is one thing? Maybe it's something you can celebrate. Maybe it's something you can be proud of. Just connect with that one thing that came up for you. And then let yourself sink deeper into those feelings. Let those sensations wash over you and through you with every breath we'll take right now in silence. I want to thank you so much for practicing with me, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.